Alright guys, if you have successfully installed with this link, that's great. But if it doesn't work for you, I have provided you some other link. You can just download this and unzip, and this is the method too. So I'll just go in this folder and just go to the setup and directly run the setup. Right click and click on run as administrator. Click yes and click run. Now keep the internet connected. I'll click on the QuickBooks license agreement. Just close this if it browses online. I accept the license agreement again, continue, and it will automatically write here the license number and product number. You don't need to change anything, just click on next. And I'll be using QuickBooks on this computer. That's your choice, whatever you want to select in the networking options. Click next and install. So I have attached both of the links. As you can see here that the both details is different. Here we have QuickBooks Enterprise Solution 2024 version 24 R3 plus keygen, and this one is R7 plus keygen. So if you're not successful with installing in the first link, you can try this second link. Alright, now the installation is complete. I'll click on Open QuickBooks. And here I will choose the industry. Let's say I want to choose the general business, or if you are manufacturing sector, you can choose this one. And guys, you can change it later on, so you don't need to worry about it. So let's click next and click on finish. Now it will close and reopen the QuickBooks for you. I don't need to update on internet, click no. Now let's choose and create a company, or what you can do is click escape and you can open a sample company file. For example, sample product based business, click yes, and let's save it anywhere. By default, it's saving it on the desktop, but you can save it in the library and documents. You can create an Intuit folder, or you can just place it directly. Now it depends on wherever you want to keep the live files. You can choose that folder or drive. Click yes, click OK. And now our company file is open. If you want to check the license detail, I can go to help and click on about QuickBooks. And you can see that we have 5 user license. This is the license number and product number. Just note it anywhere so that you can use it afterwards. Now, if you want to change the industry, I can go to help and click on manage my license, and you can change it to the different industry. For example, now I want to choose the general business. Click next and finish. It will take some time and then it will update the version. Now again, it will ask you for the update. Click on no. Every time it will take some time to load the new version. So just sit back and relax. And now you can see that the journal version is now updated. So guys, this is how you can install the QuickBooks Enterprise 2024 version on your standalone laptop or on your PC.